I'm Bree the plant lady.
And I'm Abby the gardener.
And today it is beautiful outside, so we are going to plant some more potatoes. Because we have an endless amount of potatoes that keep growing inside the cabinet in the kitchen. Now, a few weeks ago, I posted a video featuring this really cool Caveen grow bag that has this clear insert. And isn't it so neat how you can see the roots developing?
Yeah.
But people were questioning, what will happen if the potatoes that grow have light? And so I asked the manufacturer, and they weren't sure. They told me, let's see how it goes. But then they sent me some new bags that don't have that cool plastic insert. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. Now, the thing that is really different about these bags versus others is this cool Velcro opening that enables you to go in and just like grab the tubers without dumping all the soil out once they're ready. So we'll just close that up. And Abby is an expert potato planter because she's been doing it since she was like 5. But we're just gonna fill this part way, and then you're gonna put in the pieces and we'll cover it up for a little bit. And then as they grow, we will keep layering more and more compost in until it's all the way to the top. And that will allow us to have tubers that develop through the entire profile of the grow bag. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Clearly planting potatoes is a team effort here. All right, so Abs, what we're gonna do is just fill it a little bit on top of what you planted. Really like just 2 scoops. And then I'm gonna stash it in the heated shed because we have some really crummy weather predicted. We wanna give these the best chance. And in the shed, they will be warm enough to just start growing. And then as the foliage starts to develop, week after week, we'll add another scoop of soil until it's filled to the top. And then probably May or June, it'll be time to harvest these. So I hope you'll stay tuned for updates from our new experiment with the Caveen potato growing bag. Thanks for watching.